Hey guys, so guys, we are on the way to the kindergarten school because today they are going to be presenting their Christmas carol. Let's call it that way, right? She is Christmas carol.
Yeah.
So they are going to be doing their Christmas carol today, guys, and I and the assemblies, we are on the way. So you guys are going to come along with us. I had to first of all branch to the supermarket to get some certain things that we need in the house. And right now we are heading there. After their school section, them that are the sections that are to present today, because other sections have been presenting since Wednesday. So they are the last people, two sections that are remaining, and my twins are in the two sections. So they are to be presenting today.
Which month?
And we are going there right away. So you guys are going to come along with us. I think we are even late, if I'm not mistaken. Though it's by 4 o'clock, it's not yet 4 anyway. Okay, no, we are not late. There are still people outside, right?
Yeah.
We are not late.
Guys,
we are not late.
One is in session brown, and the other is in session orange.
Yeah, exactly. That's it. So
No, every time
parents are still outside. They are all outside waiting to be called inside. So today we are going to go and watch them sing some Christmas songs, like you know, that atmosphere of Christmas. So that's it. You guys are going to come along with us. We are in the winter. We are very, very cold. So I just forgot and I decided to wear this my jacket and this stuff, but it's okay. It's okay. We move.
guys, every time that I say orange, I quickly remember orange that we eat.
Oh, Marty, see. Anyway, guys, let's go. Well, please try not to keep your hand. Michael and Martis, let's go.
No.
Please now.
Please.
Then don't you want to go? Right, let's go, okay? Let's see. You want to go?
All-time high, anxiety is showing underneath my eyes. Watching as I let you take up all my time, just to do it over again. Drag me through the dirt, degrade me, mess things up, and always blame me. Smile politely while you tear me down. I don't wanna be a yes man, pull the bluff and wanna shoot my whole hand. Sick of saying sorry cause I can't stand to lose myself to your ego, but I can never say no. Push and pull, now I think I'm getting seasick. Say what you mean and put.
Hey guys. So I don't know if you guys can see me.
Yes. Ciao.
Ciao.
Stavo dando i balloon.
Hey guys. So we came out to take a walk. Even though we came out for a show, spectacular in Italian language, but we came out for a show that we were supposed to attend. Michael. Hey guys. So I was talking with you guys before, but I had to just end it because these children they were actually distracting me and we were on the way. So we went for strolling, and it's weekend here. So we went for strolling, what we usually do. And there was supposed to be a spectacular, a show. So the community we were supposed to attend a show. On getting to that place, it happens that the first show is finished and it's the second one, but they have not started.
Mommy.
So we don't know. Michael, please. So we don't know, guys. We may go back or we may not. But right now, we are finished with strolling and we came back to the house so that we can have some lunch. It's lunchtime. I am cooking. I want to just make a quick jollof rice. And that will be it. Ellery, I know you want to say hello.
Hello. Guys,
Hello.
andiamo del donut.
Which McDonald's? You are who is going to McDonald's. See you. Not be only McDonald's. Want to go to McDonald's too?
Yeah, che io. Oggi devo dare i balloni.
Oggi dobbiamo andare. Andiamo a Balloon. So he's telling you guys that
Il
today
simbolo.
we are going to go to the place where they are going to have fun. And I don't know. Let's see how it goes anyway.
È fatto male.
Sorry. Don't mind Ellery. We finished. Michael, Martins, please block that sink so that it will not remove those things there and block back the sink. No, remove those things there and block it back. Michael, are you done?
No.
You guys should hurry up, please.
Disgusting. 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 That's right. Disgusting. Mommy.
Martins, mix it properly. Chideze, remove your hand. Martins, test it if there is salt. Put it on your hand. Mpokino on your hand.
Why?
It's hot.
Salt.
Oh yeah, bring your hand. Let's taste it a bit, just a little. Oh yeah, lick here. Come
I want to try it.
Buonissimo.
I want to miss. Yucky. One.
Essie, Potana.
Today.
Essie, do you want to?
What?
Do you want to come and taste?
No, we don't want to taste it.
It's enough, please. Let's cook the food. Go here, say so. Essie, Choro,
Why? Sì o no?
do you want?
Yeah. Sì, ha detto sì.
No, non vuole. Lascialo stare.
Vuole sì o no?
No.
Calling, oh, hey, oh, yeah, be telling. I body your style, never small thing. Look in your eyes, know you want me. Yeah, yeah. Oh boy, you make me feel like saying, babe. Oh, love the way you talk with your eyes. Got me feeling alright. Tell me so you want me when you're lonely. Give me good loving, man, I'll be alright. Oh, baby, come talk to me. This fire keep it burning. Them other boys keep on talking. For your case and mine,
guys. So I'm just right here to end this vlog. We later went back, so but I didn't make any video. Okay, it's not easy handling these children outside with making videos. So it was just their time, and I decided to dedicate that time to them. I went back, and we are back, and we have been at home and all of that. So I'm just here to end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please do like, share, and subscribe. And from my family to yours, happy Christmas to you all, and God's blessings. Love you all. Bye.